guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am doing a spring queen kind of flower power look, and I'm starting off with my James Charles palette. This is the orange shade in it. I'm just blending that on my outer crease and my inner crease as well with a fluffy brush. And then once I've got all that color on there, I'm starting to blend it outward in kind of like a V shape. And using the same brush, I'm going onto my lower lash line, and I'm going to be taking this pretty low, so don't be afraid to have a big brush down here. It should be low, and you're going to blend it into that outer V, taking it about halfway across your lower lash. Then to add even more color, I am taking a fluffy blush brush and a blush here to intensify the color, and I'm blending it into my eyeshadow and putting it on my cheekbones, kind of where you would put a highlighter. And forgive me guys, this part of the video is pretty much out of focus the whole time. I zoomed in a little too much and my camera was like, no. Sorry about that. But now I'm taking a darker orange shade with the same brush, and I'm just applying that to my outer third of my lid. And I'm not taking it all the way up into the crease, just out in that area. And then I'll also do the same thing on the inner third on both eyes. And with the small detailing brush, I went into that blush and I'm applying that into the inner corner and up to my eyebrow on my eyes, just to add a little bit more of that pink tone in there. And then I started to, using that same blush shade, contour my nose. So I took it all the way down both sides and kind of shaped out a new nose for myself, which I never do, but it ended up looking really cool. When it comes to contouring the nose, a small brush is ideal, and then you just want to work with the natural shape of your nose as much as possible, and then blend it out with your fingers. I know this isn't a natural shade to be using, but I wanted to get out of my comfort zone and try something a little different for this look. And then taking a highlighter shade, I'm going in right onto the center of my lid that I intentionally left blank, just using my pinky and dragging it all the way up. And then I'm going in with a Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. This is a liquid glitter. I think it's the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm taking that right over top of the shimmer I just put down and blending it up, taking it almost all the way up to my eyebrow. This part is horribly out of focus, but let's just say that that's the aesthetic of the video, okay? So I'm taking a dark brown shade and I'm just using a flat brush, and I'm going to line my entire eyes just to give them a little bit more definition. And using the same brush and same color, I'm just going to do the same thing on my lower lash line about halfway across. And I'm also taking this pretty low as well after I get the color on there to really give my eyes like some depth here. Time for flowers. So this part was pretty simple. I just used lash glue and some leftover flowers that are from my wedding actually. I was like, I don't have anything to do with these, and so I wanted to get creative. I like tore them apart and decided to put them on my face. So I just kind of held up where I thought I wanted the flowers to go and checked it out and say, okay, yeah, that looks good right there, and glued it onto my face. And I just continued to do that with all of the flowers that I had. At first I thought I was going to put a ton of flowers on my face, but after working on it for a while, I really liked how it looked when I stopped, and so I was like, you know what, less is more. Let's just keep it simple, keep it cute, and that's what I did. This flower was actually the hardest to put on since it was all fabric. There was like no substance for it to hold on to, and it stayed really wet. So if anybody has any details or like a suggestion on a better type of glue I can use to add fabric flowers to my face, or any kind of fabric, that would be awesome. Leave it down below in the comment section for me. I'm throwing in a little bit of extra pizzazz here. I went in with some gems on my face. I just filled in pretty much all the negative space that was in between the flowers, and that was it. I was super inspired by Linda Hallberg for this look. If you don't know her, you definitely need to follow her. So I just popped on some blush over top of my lip, some lashes, a lip, and I tied my hair up into a bun, and that was literally it. I had a lot of fun creating this look because it definitely took me out of my comfort zone, and I want to do a lot more of that. So let me know what you think about this kind of video. Do you want me to put weird stuff on my face more? Let me know. Give it a like. And that is it for this look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I definitely want to hear from you, so leave me your comments, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel for sure. It definitely helps me out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.